Hello everybody, today we will be talking about this brand new tactical flashlight by Powertac. The model is called E9R Generation 4. Firstly, we see an envelope here and the spare O-rings and other spare material. I think this is for the charging port, and product registration form and information about the battery, Powertac stickers, cool, and the user's manual. We also get one lanyard, and this one here is for the magnetic charging cable. As you have this nice holster. It looks like a holster for the guns or something. And now here is our E9RGEN4 by Powertac. Firstly, I will mention the design. Here you can see the tactical bezel. You can use it for hitting someone or some surface in case of an emergency. It is nice. Then you see the magnetic charging port here. This is removable, and when you remove this you get to see the USB charging port under this one. Apart from that, the clip here and this little hole for your lanyard. Let's place it. So now I can use the E9RGEN4 with my lanyard as well. One thing I didn't like about it is this part is turning around. I didn't like it. I wish this part were fixed and not moving around. You also see the back switch and tail switch. This is the main switch and this is the secondary switch. If you would like to change modes, press this secondary switch here. I also would like to show the battery as well. Here is your battery by Powertac. And your holster. If you would like to use the device with the holster, you simply place it inside. Like this. Awesome design. And here also you can place it on your belt or whatever. You can use it like this, and when it is inside the holster you can simply keep using the device without taking it off. I really like this holster and this feature here, but when you will take it off, it simply doesn't come up. at least with the bare hands. So I will wear my tactical gloves and try once more. So that you could also see how the flashlight looks with the tactical gloves. Now I have my gloves on and I'll take it off. It really requires an effort. Yeah, it is off again. Maybe with the use, this part gets used to the flashlight and I can take it off easily. We'll see that. So, the flashlight looks like this with the gloves. And now let's talk about the mods of the flashlight. You have about 6 mods for this flashlight, which are the Firefly, Low, Medium, High, Turbo and Strobe modes. This is the Firefly mode, the lowest mode, and it gives you 0.64 lumens for 50 days. Awesome. Now I'm changing it to the low mode by pressing once to the side switch. This is the low mode and it gives you 71 lumens for 21 hours. This is the low mode. Switching once more. This is the medium. The medium mode gives you 270 lumens for 5.7 hours. The medium. Pressing once more. This is your high mode. It gives you 1135 lumens for 2.1 hours. Look at that. This is your high mode. And once more, this is the turbo for this flashlight. It gives you 2550 lumens for 2 hours. When it is on turbo mode, I can feel it heating. And finally, we'll see the strobe mode. And this is your strobe mode. Guys, I also would like to talk about the brand Powertac as well. Powertac is an American brand, but the product I'm holding is, it says it is made in China. Still a real good product. I really like the design and it looks real durable. I will also shoot a night test and I will share my opinions on that as well. If you would like to get one E9RGEN4 for yourself, and there is a special discount for you on Powertac's website, you can simply click the link below and purchase your Powertac products with the special discount up to 30%. Don't forget it. Just check how this flashlight can be used while it is safe inside the holster, turning on and switching the moods as well. Look at that. I think this is what I really liked most about this flashlight. Awesome tactical design and usage. Okay guys, that is all I will tell you about this Powertac flashlight. I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be our night test for this flashlight. By the way, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe.